Hey guys, it's me, SPC Franklin County 373 here, and I just got up, but more importantly, happy Easter. The current day is March 31st, 2024 at 8:50 a.m., which is also Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to those who celebrate it. If you don't celebrate it, have a good day today. This is kind of being uploaded on Easter. I'm trying to get this done and edited as quickly as possible. But yesterday we kind of had a very unexpected round of severe weather here, and it was extremely unexpected, and I kind of got surprised by myself. I think when I got up yesterday morning, I saw that it was thundering all over the place, so I was like, and then I came back home doing something, and then all of a sudden I hear my EAR-10 activate for an SVR, and that's when I realized that things are going to start to get heated here. So, this is more of a low-end compilation. This isn't really much of a big thing I got. Everything kind of happened so quickly, and sometimes you may hear me be a little distracted in recording alerts because of a certain incident that happened during that time. But if you want more information on that, view my community posts. I think it's absolutely disgusting, and I think that person needs to be canceled and reported to their local police. But for now, let's get our minds off of that, and I hope you enjoy this compilation. So let's get right into it.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe storm warning for central Marion County, Morrow County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Gilead, Cardington, Chesterville, Sparta, Caledonia, Edison, Greencamp, and Fulton. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast, Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy until early morning, then becoming most...
No.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Fairfield, Franklin, Knott, Licking, Marion, Morrow, Richland, and Wayne. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 63, effective until 10 p.m. Eastern, including large hail and gales winds.
Come on. Okay.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons remain alert to rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to the hazardous weather warning for the following counties in Ohio.
Say goodbye. Thank you.
Clark, Phoenix,
Time for the following counties. Okay, goodbye. I need to change some batteries, so I might lose. What the hell am I doing?
There is a low probability for widespread hazardous
Sad.
weather. And now the extended outlook for the period Sunday through Friday. Multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected
Well, I
Sunday
might get
through
another
Tuesday.
SVR here.
Could lead to flooding concerns.
A little just WR300 over here.
Strong to severe 4:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm. Activation is not expected at this time.
Oh, okay, goodbye.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties
Which
in
one's still
Ohio,
going?
Delaware, Fairfield.
Yapper.
West Central Ohio. For tonight, Waldo and calculated strong severe storm.
What the hell? Oh, okay, let's just steal it.
Large hail and gales.
SVR for, whoa, okay, that's a really small little.
Sunday through Friday, multiple rounds of showers and thunderstorms are expected Sunday through Tuesday.
This is an unbelievably small SVA. Just a little concerned here. Oh, okay, just kidding. It's the rest of the place.
Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. The frontal boundary will remain in place across the region until early next week.
All right.
A series of low pressure systems sliding along the boundary will lead to occasional.
Another one.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Chesterfield, 4 miles southeast of Mount Gilead, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, corner-side hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles if possible. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gandier, Danville, Waterford, Gann, North Liberty, and Bladensburg.
Okay.
The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Knox, Ohio. The 14th for the central lows in the mid-40s. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include York, Johnstown, Utica, Hanover, Hartford, St. Louisville, Fredonia,
Damn it, guys,
Route 62 at State Route 661, Fallsburg, and Purity.
Yes.
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for the following counties in Ohio: Champaign, Clark, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Harkin.
All right.
Now here is a hazardous weather outlook for East Central Indiana, Southeast Indiana, North. Don't submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern for widespread hazardous weather. And now the storm warning.
Damn it, Ireland.
National Weather Service in Wilmington, Lincoln County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was
It's for me now. Oh, okay, it's over Western, but it's okay.
60 miles an hour.
Still gonna
Quarter-size hail.
do my precautions here.
Radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles.
There's some thunder.
Expect wind damage
To trees and power lines.
Quarter-size hail.
Locations impacted include
Radar indicated. Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Worthington, Heaton, Granville, Pawcascalon, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Minerva Park, Millersport, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station, and Thornport. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, Fairfield Beach, Beechwood Trail, Easton, Summit Station, and Thornport. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers markers 116 and 121.
Thank you.
Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio. Tonight, partly cloudy until early morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Thunderstorm with a slight chance of showers this evening. Some thunderstorms via social media, when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm.
Look at this thunder. Oh, wow. I'm gonna be like, Chad, look at this. Look at that thunder. This is actually like so sick. Well, I could never. Alright, hello, how's your day? I'm kind of getting a little tired of you screaming, so shut up. What? Oh. Okay.
Until 7 p.m. At 6:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Coshocton, moving east at 45 miles an hour.
Okay.
Hazard: ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Coshocton, Antrim, Quaker City, Conesville, Old Washington, Plainfield, Salesville, Otsego, Fairview, Birmingham, Bowdoin, Salt Fork State Park, and Bolton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 185 and 198. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 48 and 60.
Just lying down, listening to the alert.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45
you. Goodbye.
p.m.
Have a
for
good day.
northeastern Licking County. At 6:11 p.m. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County, northwestern Morgan County, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, or near Heath, moving southeast at 60 miles an hour.
Okay.
Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, Somerset, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Thorndale, Junction City, Glenford, and Glenville.
Cough is horrible.
The severe thunder.
Okay, buddy. Hi, WW57. What's wrong?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fairfield County, south central Licking County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Thornport, moving southeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard: 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Buckeye Lake, Hebron, Millersport, Fairfield Beach, Harvard Hills, Thornport, Kirkersville, Interstate 70 and State Route 37, Interstate 70 and State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 124 and 141. Interstate 70, State Route 13, and Brownsville. This includes I-70 in Here is a hazardous weather outlook. 124 and 100 in Ohio.
Oh, I forgot that was still
Protection green. Not a severe whatsoever weather. Now here is a hazardous weather flash. Illness admitted.
weather/ilm. Great job, WW257. Or should I say CLE? Weather.gov/iln.
This is NOAA weather.
Go to hell.
The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Muskingum County until 7:45 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Somerset, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Fultonham, Rural Dale, Campbellville, East Fultonham, and Blue Rock State Park. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Central severe. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Guernsey County, western Monroe County, east central Muskingum County, central Noble County, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Concord, or 10 miles east of Zanesville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Woodsfield, Caldwell, New Concord, Senecaville, Pleasant City, Cumberland, Summerfield, Bell Valley, Louisville, Sarasville, Jerusalem, Wilson, Norwich, Chandlersville, Bridgeville, Stafford, Graysville, Miltonsburg, Seneca Lake Park, and Wolf Run State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 160 and 171. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 27 and 40. The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Perry County, Morgan County, until 8 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Lexington, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Lexington, McConnellsville, Chester Hill, Perry State Forest, Crooksville, Junction City, Malta, Corning, Bristol, Greenville, and Eatonport. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. on the following counties in Ohio: Delaware, Fairfield,